Good morning, happy Monday everybody. It's Phil here from redchilidigital.com, and you can probably see my dog's tail. Apologies for that. In today's quick video, 60-second video, I promise, the importance of search engine optimization, okay, and more importantly, having a blog. SEO, everybody wants to be on the first page of Google for their business. It's a known fact, because when you are, you receive more leads and you receive more sales. Simple as that. However, how do you get on there? One of the best ways to get on there, now it takes time, there's lots of different moving parts, but what you can do is have a blog attached to your website. Well, when I say attached, it's just another page. Okay, now what is a blog? It's just basically a place where you can update people. You know, you can write posts. You have a blog page, and the content inside of a blog page is a blog post. Now, the best thing to do whenever you're trying to carry out any form of search engine optimization or SEO is to look at keywords and longer tail keywords. You know, like instead of somebody typing in Nike trainers, instead of somebody typing in trainers, for example, into Google, that could mean anything. It could be personal trainer, could be trainers for your feet, it could be personal development trainer, it could be anything. Then you've got Nike trainers, okay, and then that would probably show tens of thousands of trainers. But then you've got something like, I don't know, red size 10 Nike Air Max, for example. Then you know that's what's called a buyer keyword. That is, those are keywords that people are particularly looking for. Whenever somebody's typing in that, you can bet your life they're interested in, you know, red Nike Air Max trainers. So you need to have a look at those sorts of keywords. See what people are trying to see what people are typing in to potentially find you. One of the best ways to do that is go to the Google Keyword Planner. Just Google it, Google Keyword Planner. Just go through the steps. Okay, you can that'll show you how many people are searching within your country for a specific keyword. Now, once you've got that keyword, what do you do with it? Well, you can create blog posts, you can create updates on your website based around that sole keyword, just one keyword. Okay, don't try and slap it on every page of your website. Google doesn't like that, okay, and you can get penalized. So, for example, if it's a florist in Belfast, if people are typing in florist in Belfast, you want a blog post called Florist in Belfast and talk about being a florist in Belfast. That will rank a lot quicker than your homepage, because there's all sorts of things going on your homepage. It'll rank quicker. Okay, this video's gone on for 3 minutes. I do apologize. It's only supposed to be a minute. I do go off on one, don't I? Apologies. So if you haven't got a blog, create a blog. Not for the love of writing, okay, because we all have less time these days, but create it for the search engine optimization potency. Okay, so have a good day. Speak soon.